Good morning, guys. Happy New Week. And so, sorry, this video came a little bit late because I was supposed to drop it since Monday. Yeah, but I intended to wait to see how price would close on Monday. So, let me just do review of things since let me do review of price last week. So last week, um, we were okay, we made we talked about price dropping into the monthly fair value gap, and price dropped into the monthly fair value gap. And after it dropped into the monthly fair value gap, we're expecting it to at least come up to this zone at least. But with what I'm saying right now, I don't think, because after price reacted to this monthly fair value gap, I was expecting a reaction. I was expecting price action to look bullish. But though we had this indecision candlestick that was suggesting bullish price action, but right now on the daily time frame, assuming Monday closed bullish above this gap, then going I would suggest trying to buy dollar at least to this zone. But right now we can see we closed bearish below this weekly inverse fair value gap. Let me show you guys. So we can see the inverse fair value gap. You can see price closed very bullish below it. So seeing this, um seeing what price did on the weekly fair value gap, for price to close below the weekly fair value gap, then um I will be bullish, at least for now, on DXY. At least my bearishness, sorry, I'll be bearish on DXY, and the bearishness I would at least target have this type of target. I would target this low, which is the weekly low. Yeah, I would target the weekly low, which is this, at least first. I would have this first, and after taking this low, I would then watch price action, see how price is trying to I'll see if price is still trying to okay, then go lower to then target this. So I believe this is our this would be our draw for now, this weekly low. So this is my draw, this is my target for now. So I believe price will try to draw to this weekly low. So, and how do I think price would utilize, how would price want to react to price to so if price is going to take out this low, I believe they would want to utilize this volume imbalance, the one we have over here. So when we watch how price tries to react around here, then we can then use it to take out this low. So right now I'm bearish on DXY, and let me just check if I can see some information on the distance. So um over here we can see that okay, um around the volume imbalance we have a 4 hours we have a 4 hours fair value gap around there. So it's possible price just trade up a bit. My price, my though we've already like traded into the volume imbalance and the 4 hours fair value gap already. So we don't know. They might just want to like go up a bit, and then so I just believe these. I believe if we are going to like sell, this gap should be able to like hold price down. So I'll just like try and watch price around London session this morning. Yeah, I would watch price around this morning and see how price intends to like trade around this gap. This would be like a point of interest for me. It's going to like because I would like to like watch how price intends to like sell around here. So so I don't really have much to see on DXY. Though this type of condition is not the type of condition I really like trading on. Like I don't really like trading in higher time frame key level. Like sorry, and I don't like trading higher time frame PDR when price is in a higher time frame key level. Like it's not the type of condition because it's not high probable. Yeah. So when we have like the one-sidedness, those are the type of condition I really want. Like when we are already gravitating out of a higher time frame PDRA, those are the conditions I want to trade in, not trading in higher time frame PDRA. So let me just go to Euro USD because I intend to like make this video very short. So when I made mention of trading in higher time frame PDRA, we can see we are just gravitating out of the higher time frame PDRA. You can see, no, sorry, you can see we are in higher time frame PDRA, like because not that not that saying not that I'm saying that okay um euro is going to sell. I intend to like buy more into this PDRA before I target this high and this high, but at least with what I'm saying, I don't really believe this monthly PDRA would hold. So that's what I meant by this, not like a high probable scenario. Like imagine you trying to like um buy into this type of PDRA and not just higher time, not just 4 hours, 1 hour fair value gap. You are buying into a monthly fair value gap. So though I have a lot of data my backing me up that okay we are going to backing my analysis of that okay price is still like euro USD is still very much bullish. I have some data backing it up. So not just that it's coming. These are the times that you know okay this fair value gap this won't work, this other block won't work. So what I can say right now, I believe we are still buying more into this fair value gap, and funniest, it might not even hold. So let's go to the weekly time frame. We can see we can see um price traded into this weekly inverse fair value gap. We can we can see price traded into this weekly inverse fair value gap and then traded into this monthly fair value gap. So right now, also on also on the euro on the euro USD, price closed above. Yeah, we can see price closed above the weekly inverse fair value gap, and it's trying to like trade more into this monthly inverse fair value gap. So I won't just like let me because there's something I'm even meant to like note out on this thing on DXY, but let me just try and point it out here on the this thing on Euro USD. This is the half. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, yeah. This is the half. This is the half of the monthly fair value gap on Euro USD. So this is the main threshold. At least I don't expect price to just even if this monthly fair value gap won't work, I don't expect price to just figure it out immediately. At least if we are going to like trade more into this gap and we have a target right now, and my target is the weekly high because on the DXY my target was the weekly low, and right now right here I have this weekly high as my target because I believe price would want to take out this high. So um so and we can see prices like on the daily time frame we can see price is trying to like price retraced already, and I don't really have like a solid point of interest on the daily time frame on Euro USD. And the point of interest I can just make mention of is that okay, price we have this Friday low that price might just want to like rebalance because it already retraced a bit. And why is it retracing? Because price it's reacted to the monthly fair value gap. So that was what caused the retracement. So let's just go to the daily time frame to see if we are going to like get the point of interest. So um I believe price might just try to come down a bit at least to here. It's possible we see price retrace a little bit at least to here. So that is still very possible. So we might just see price retrace a bit to this level to then before we can then try to like target this high on Euro USD. So um so at least when we take this out first, then I'll then know. And for if we can take out this high, it's very possible price get to like 109, let's just say one, yeah, price might just get to 109.70 ish. So on Euro USD, we might price might just, so once we take out this high, it might just hit the main threshold. So let me just say 10965. Let me just say 10965 to be precise. Yeah. Let's just say 10965. Price might get to 10965 at least before we can then study our price, what price is trying to like do, if it is still trying to like retrace very deep back to the range, or is going up without looking back. So it depends on how price intends to like, but at least for the week this is my target, this high. So I would watch price this London session to see how they intend to like move price around this fair value gap. So I don't really have a lot to say on Euro USD and DXY. And for good, um I called price out I've been calling price out around here. If you've been following my analysis, I've been calling price out since, like, I've been calling 3K around February. Yeah, the beginning of February. I've been calling 3K, but then I've not even started this YouTube channel. So even on the YouTube channel, I think the first video I called, I've been calling 3K on good, and we've already arrived at 3K, even surpassing the 3K. So I won't even want to, like, I don't even want to like talk like that on good. So let's just focus on Euro US, because that's what I'll be targeting. And I even dropped some analysis, because I called this, I called price around here. Even if you can just go back to the videos I dropped, you're going to like see my, even on my Telegram channel, I dropped like a trade setup on this pair. Good. So and I've already gotten to my target, so I won't really want to like make video on good like that. And cadjpy, there's a setup I met around here yesterday, and it was very fast. Even I couldn't like get into the setup. So because I was expecting price to get to here. Yeah. Let me just do like very quick review of the setup. Yeah. I came to yeah, I started the analysis on 3 months, because I sold cadjpy around here, this 3 months fair value gap, and I sold it to this level. And once we get to this level, I was anticipating price to like, maybe, I don't know if it's going to like sell, or it's trying to like buy. And what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame since like last week, I noticed price has been like trying to like buy. So after I saw this, I knew, okay, price would want to like at least get to this level. At least if price is going to like buy, I want to see it get to this level. And I had this breaker block annotated out. Like, I initiated that zone, this key level. So I had it mark. So after that, I went to like the daily time frame, and I saw this OB. I don't want to like annotate a lot because of how this thing is going to look. So we can see this. This this is a daily this is a daily OB. So this is another block. You can see. You can see. So let me just delete it. So that's another block. When I saw this, and it was around New York session, so I went to the daily 4 hours time frame. Okay, I saw that, okay, price, yeah, it was here. So I knew, okay, price is trying to like, no, yeah, I think it's here around here shares, or here this time. And there was like a news release then. So I saw how price was like trying to move mad. So then I think, yeah, it was around here, or here 130. So the news release I saw, I was like, maybe and I saw a sharp bullish move. Yeah. So I saw price taking out this low. After price took out this low, and this and this time, like, this was when they dropped the news 130. This was the news I'm talking about. This news. Yeah, this 130 news on Monday. So after I saw the news and this sharp movement, I was really anticipating price to, at least, if I'm going to like take the trade, though I knew this is going to like move price, but um I don't really know, like, I didn't really have, because I set limits. I was very busy when I saw this setup. So I was expecting price to at least drop to this inverse fair value gap or this gap if I'm going to like buy into this level. And funniest thing was just that price just like look at where what they utilized. They utilized this. And assuming I'm on price then I would have gotten in. So they utilize this breaker. Assuming so by the time I'm going to like come back to chart, I saw that okay, they've already utilized they've already utilized this breaker. And also if I'm being attentive, I would have caught this trade because you can see this is like a breaker. So they use this to then buy into this. So though this is not really like a lot, I believe another setup is still coming, but this type of feeling is a bit painful for because I was really like stalking for setup yesterday on DXY because but it's a mixed trade. Another one is still coming. That's just it. I believe another setup is still coming. But I would really love to like getting into like this trade because I love like cadjpy is also like a separate pair that I usually trade like because I love the price action when it wants to move. So I don't really have a lot to say on other pairs. So let's just make it short and brief. So I'm wishing you guys good luck and good trading. Bye.